saying? 'Cause these other DVDs ain't been treating me too right lately, you know what I'm saying? We gon' skip all this talking about, bring that hot fire, man. Ain't too much right. I just lost mine, and I know she watching over me, so I can get our peoples right and put them where they supposed to be. It's hurting me, just from knowing she ain't on this earth for me. Made me wanna cry, swear to God, she was close to me, but hopefully she made it up to heaven where she's supposed to be. While I'm living in hell, blazing L's to the 3rd degree. Shit, every day I take a look up to the sky, thinking about Vernrell, my pop shines, my pop thought I was 5. I see my mind breaking down, family members' faces frown, all I did was cry. Funeral my aunt told me to tell my pops goodbye, man, I couldn't understand, but now I'm a grown man. Never really miss you till you dead and you gone, but I'm the same way, that's why I'm spitting here on this song. Shit, I would've knew my aunt Terry was gonna die, I would've told her that I love her like a million more times, until my mouth dry and I can't even talk, till I'm all out of breath and I can't even walk. When I die, some niggas gon' laugh, some niggas gon' cry, some niggas gon' bang, some niggas gon' ride. Oh, y'all can't get all that.